Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. This is Sunil. Let's do another sum of working capital now. I'm going to do sum number. I'm doing question number 11, page 288. I'm doing question number 11 on page 288. Let's see the sum, guys. They've asked you that estimate activity of operation for 1,30,000 units. Total units are given to you as 1,30,000 units per annum. Now if it is 1,30,000 units per annum, if I have to convert it into per weeks, how do I convert it into per weeks? By dividing it by 52. So this is going to be 1,30,000 divided by 52. When I divide this by 52, this is going to be 2,500 units per week. Question, why did I convert it into per week? Because if you look at all your adjustments are in terms of per week. Okay. Now straight away let's come to adjustment number H. Let us see the cost structure. Before that, adjustment G says that selling price per unit is 15 rupees. Okay. Let's see the cost structure, guys. They have given you raw material is 33 1/3%. How do I get the CPU, guys? Very simple. Whenever percentage is given, you multiply the selling price per unit into percentage. That means if I multiply 15 by 33 1/3%, I will get my CPU, which you work out will come to 5. They've given you labor and overheads are in the ratio of 6:4. So we will assume labor to be 6x and overheads to be 4x. Okay. Now we all have learned in school, guys. We all have learned in school that selling price is cost price plus profit. Selling price is given to you as 15 rupees. Cost price, guys, cost price is 5 plus 10x. If I add this, this is going to be 5 plus 10x. So cost price is going to be 5 plus 10x. Profit is 5 rupees. 5 plus 5, 10. Take it on the other side. 15 minus 10, 5 is 10x. So x is 0.5. Once you come to know the value of x, you can use that value of x here. Labor will be 6 into 0.5, which is 3. Overheads will be 4 into 0.5, which is 2. Now I can get the per week units. 25 5s are 125, 25 3s are 75, 25 2s are 50. Fine, do we get the same clear? Now let's start with the sum now. They are saying that raw material will remain in stock of raw material is going to be 2 weeks. Raw material we found out is 12,500 for 2 weeks. So this is going to be 25,000. Next, process time is 2 weeks. Raw material we have already calculated is 12,500. Labor is 7,500. Overheads is 5,000. They are saying that process time is 2 weeks. Remember, whenever you are doing work in progress, you have to multiply labor and overheads with an extra 0.5. Next, finished goods is 2 weeks. So this is 12,500 into 2, 7,500 into 2 and 5,000 into 2. Right? That's finished goods is 2 weeks. Creditors is given to you as 2 weeks. Creditors for supply of raw material. Raw material is 12,500 into 2. So this is going to be 25,000 here. Next, debtors is 4 weeks. Debtors is 4 weeks. Debtors is selling price per unit into total units. 1,30,000 into debtors period is 4 weeks. Divided by total period 52 weeks. Someone please calculate this and give me. This should be 1,50,000. This should be 1,50,000. Thank you. So debtors is going to be 1,50,000. Debtors is going to be 1,50,000. Fine. Let's move on ahead, guys. Outstanding for wages and overheads is 2 weeks. So wages and overheads. Wages is 7,500. Overheads is 5,000 for 2 weeks each. So this is 15,000 and 10,000. This finishes your sum. Let's tally, guys. So this is going to be 25,000. This is going to be 7,500. This is going to be 5,000. 37,500. This is going to be 25,000. This is going to be 15,000. This is going to be 10,000. So this is going to be 50,000. Right? There is no advance, there is no cash balance required. You just cross check if there is a cash balance required, people. No, there is no cash balance required. So let's add this. 1,50,000, 2 lakh, 225, 220, 255, 260, 500. Someone cross check please. Is that 260 to 500? Add all the 4 figures, people. Right? In the meantime, I'll just do this. So this is going to be 50,000. So in that case, this should be 2,12,500. Someone just cross check my addition, please. Right? Hopefully the addition is correct. And then you subtract and you will get your answer. That will be your net working capital. This finishes the sum. Let's stop here for the day. Thank you very much.